You are watching us on Hrvati Zajedno, and we are live at the Knezevic Cup, which is happening right behind Josip, who's behind the camera, and we are here with the lovely Mr. Risto. Is it Risto?
It's
no,
Risto.
It's Risto, sorry.
Risto. That's all right.
What's the actual name though?
My actual name is Steven Ristevski, and yeah, from school I just got a nickname Risto, and it's just pretty much stuck.
Well, there you go. So now everyone knows your real name, your true identity.
Yes.
And
you
this
can
is
add me on Facebook.
Yeah, this is your first Martin Knezevic Cup.
Yes.
How are you enjoying the atmosphere, the Croatian community?
You know what? Like Croatian community it's very like I'm Macedonian background, very very similar as we're both Balkan. What I enjoy most about this type of stuff is when little children come up to me and ask to take photos. That's you don't understand how good that feels when a child smiles taking a photo with me. When who am I? You know, I do food reviews in the Balkan community. That's the best part. But in terms for today, goal. It's a great day. The weather's great. The cevapi are great. You know, I'm not saying that other word because I have to shout people drinks. But yeah, it's a great atmosphere. Everybody's happy. Smiles on their faces. It's just a great feeling. Come down and experience it next year. Come down, like any particular community stuff, as in like Macedonian, Croatian, Greek, Serbian, whatever. Like if you see an event, go to it. They're all great. They're all great.
And you're here supporting another great company behind us. Do you want to tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, DNA Rakia. Well, I love my rakia, right? I really do. And the opportunity came for me to be an ambassador for them. They've got no preservatives in their rakia, which is massive for me, and it's delicious. So, you know, and the cameraman has how many rakia and tonics have you had, man?
How many shots?
Just the one, yeah. We'll give him another one. We'll give him another one. But yeah, Australian Macedonian company. You know, again, trying to make rakia out there. Like I was just speaking with Monique, who's one of the owners out there. And then like, if you're having a gin and tonic, why can't you have a rakia and tonic if you're Balkan? You know what I mean?
Exactly.
I've got to try that combination.
You do? Well, we'll get her another drink, you know? My shout. Get up here. There, we'll go shadow one. I said that.
It happened.
Oh, it happened.
So what else do you want people to know about you? Obviously, you're this famous foodie. What else do people not know about you?
I own Monster Media, Cronulla. It's a digital marketing company, so if you need help with Google ads or meta ads or SEO, you come see me. But in saying that, like I'm just a happy-go-lucky guy. Come up to me, say hello. If you know me, I don't bite, but yeah, it's just, you know, like, I don't know, it's hard to explain, you know, like I like being noticed. Don't get me wrong, it's a bit of an ego trip, it is, but I just enjoy it. I just enjoy the community. It's great. These types of days are great, you know what I mean? So, yeah.
So you will come to another one next year?
100%. Well, I'm waiting for the Croatian Cup for 2027 to be organised. Apparently there's no venue. Anybody know any gossip or anything like that?
Ooh, not yet.
Not yet.
We'll have to find out.
Yeah, so, you know, if it's viable, I'll love to come to that as well. But that goes for 3 days, so I've got to pace myself for that.
Yeah. Now, are you a local boy?
Yeah, so I grew up in Rockdale and lived in Dolls Point for a bit, but now I'm back in the Shire. I'll be back in Dolls Point. I've got a unit there, so in a couple of years I'll go back.
Now, can you give us any insider information on what's happening next with the foodie side of things?
With the foodie side of things, what's happening next? I've got my birthday's in March, so I've got
Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you. So I'm actually doing a couple of things. Sorry, yes, you just reminded me. West Sydney food truck, March 13, 14. DNA Rakia are going to be there, is that right? 13th and the 14th? Yeah, and there's going to be other Balkan trucks, I know. She's going to kill me for forgetting her name. She's going to kill me forgetting her name. What's it? Nature's Bread. She's going to be there. Who else? Mikhail Burek. Yeah, it's going to be a Balkan night. It's going to be big. 13th and the 14th. Next to your place, St Mary's.
Yes.
Sorry, I told everybody where you live.
Thank you. So if you haven't been to one of those food truck events, I recommend it.
100%. It's like it's a party type atmosphere. It really is. You know, like there's so much variety to choose from. It's just a great atmosphere. Like when people get together, things like this, it's good. It's good, definitely.
It's great to support the community. And now,
100%. And again, I'm Macedonian. You guys are Croatian. I'm happy to support any communities. Really is. You know, I've got one rule. You respect me, I respect you. That's it. I don't care where you're from.
So it's all about the Zajedno.
That's it. Zajedno, together.
So
yes.
we're all about that. Yeah. Really, really important question.
Yes.
So what date's the birthday?
It's March the 9th, actually.
Ooh,
March the 9th, yes. So, yeah, March the 9th. So, I've actually got buy me a coffee in my profile. If somebody wants to buy me a coffee, no, I'm joking. But no, I actually do have it in my profile anyway. But yeah, March the 9th, wish me happy birthday.
Yes,
Be good.
Yes, we will.
Yeah.
We'll do that live on air as well. We'll have to say
Yeah,
something.
that's fine, yes.
So I think we have a show around then.
March the 9th. What day does that fall on? I think it's a Monday or a Tuesday.
Well, definitely around there. We'll have a special surprise for you. Might even have to give us a song request to put on air.
Okay, I'll have to actually ask the famous Adam Grabovic, who knows a lot about Croatian music. You know Adam?
Yeah.
Yes, and he will give me a song request for me to choose for that night.
Perfect.
Yeah, yes.
All
Have to
right.
send that to us.
Yes.
Now, we've got one final question from me.
Sure.
Now, you obviously do quite a lot of these things and people interview you. What's
Correct.
something that you want to be asked but you never get asked by anybody?
Oh, this is a tough one. Get asked. I've got no idea.
Or you're an open book?
I'm an open book. You can ask me anything. Like,
So whereabouts in Macedonia are you from?
I'm born in Australia, but my mother's from Makovo, which is Mariovo, and my father's from Lafti, which are both from Bitola, and I'm hoping to go back there next year. So, yeah, again, maybe a food review tour, but yeah, next year.
Well, looking forward to that one.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Maybe Croatia too. Any Croatians out there? Free accommodation. I mean, couch surfing. Yes,
Croatian Airbnbs.
mate. Like seriously, how expensive is hotels these days?
It's crazy.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Again, it's so crazy. That's why I go to Macedonia. Free accommodation, the best.
Yeah. Well, stick
I
around.
look like a tight ass now, but it's expensive. It is.
Well, we do what we do for our part for everybody. So yeah.
Yes.
If anybody out there, they contact us, we'll let you know.
100%.
All right. Well, Stephen, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's
time.
been a pleasure.
Yes, we'll have to get you. I don't know. Maybe we can do a collaboration on try a Croatian dish or any other dish.
Yeah.
If you've got any ideas, let us know as well. Or if you've got a business, we know a couple of Croatian businesses out there that might be
Let me know.
interested, Macedonian, anything. So let us know, and we'll catch you together.
And lovely meeting you guys for the first time. You guys have been
Yes.
great. And DNA Rakia. It's absolutely delicious. Delicious.
Jubilee.
Really.
Jubilee.